It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everyone. Welcome into our home. We've had a break for a while. We've been able to, fortunately, we had enough videos to extend on YouTube. But, boy, it's almost been, what, 2 months since we really did much of anything?
Pretty much so.
So, hopefully, we're going to get back into the swing of things. Hope everybody's having a great day. And today I'm working with a 11 by 14 black canvas that I've put black paint on. And I'm going to try something that I did before. But I'm not going to say what it is. In case I change my mind.
Keep everybody guessing, huh?
Yeah. Keep on guessing.
That's so just in case it doesn't come out like you thought.
Exactly.
You say that's exactly what I was going
Exactly.
for.
Exactly.
Gotcha now.
Okay, so let's begin. I'm nervous.
You're nervous, buddy. You're don't paint. You don't paint on the canvas. You know where the hose is. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Is that a 4-leaf flower?
Yeah, that's the ticket.
Yeah. 4-leaf flower.
Oh dear. What can I say? Oh, I guess I should tell what colors. That was Artist's Loft Yellow. Then I just used Folk Art Color Shift Green Flash.
Color
That's
shift.
A pretty color. I like that
Another
color.
pretty color.
This is
It's pink.
Master's Touch Light Magenta.
It's pink to match your pink eye you had a couple of weeks ago.
Oh boy, yeah. That was tough. Toughy. Pink eye, bronchitis.
Oh, yeah.
Sinus infection.
You need some.
Swollen glands.
Do you have any bubbles?
Just making a design.
Well, it's quite a design. It's quite a design. Look at you.
I'm the splatter girl.
Do you scribble a lot in school?
Probably. Just doing some abstract.
Some dark colors you have in the black.
Not to worry.
Not me. I don't want me worry. There we go. Get the Miami Dolphin for colors there. Turquoise and orange.
Just a wee bit of that. Just a wee bit. Let's see, what other colors do I want?
Did you already have that color?
No, this is bright pink.
Oh, bright pink? It looks the same color as the other pink.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it
I'll be
does.
darned.
How about lavender? Got some nice lavender here.
Sure, I'll use that. Of course, I do this and then I forget.
Then you're gonna say
that I probably
I use
have
too
too
much
much. Right? Yeah, I know. I was just thinking that. Okay, this is my last color.
last color. How about if I like move the canvas around while you're doing it and make it
There you
make it a
go.
little harder? Where'd your flower go?
It's there somewhere.
Okay.
It's not gonna be, you know.
It's hidden among the worms.
Let's see. I think I need something brighter there. I don't know what.
No, that's not too bright.
No. Don't we have any bright colors?
Yeah, we do. They're called neon colors. They're down here.
Oh. That's true.
What would you like? What's your pleasure?
Maybe. Yeah. Sure.
Let me shake it for you. There you go.
Thank you.
This one? Or no? Yellow? Very yellow?
I got a lot of pink there. Yellow.
Orange?
No.
Yeah. There you go. Neon.
Neon. I don't know, guys. It started out as a flower, but I just don't.
We'll go over the flower with that yellow, same flower.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I meant pink flower, not the yellow flower, but it's okay. It's your world.
It's my weird world.
Okay.
Just put a little gold.
Oh yeah, a little gold.
I'm probably going to be scraping this anyway.
Oh, don't say that. Pretty that looks. You just leave it like that.
Should I?
No. What is this color here? What was this color? This thing is spread out like that.
That's
That's at Aniva's. Yeah, we don't like that color.
Well, I didn't think we did.
Yeah, I think we're going to dump that color after this picture because I think it always
Okay,
it
let me
gets
put
fat.
it here.
It gets fat.
Let me put it here so that we don't use it anymore. All right. Should I?
Okay, so what
Try
are you
my
doing?
thing?
You don't need a wet
Yeah, I got
thing?
it here.
Oh,
I'm going to try not to do it as wet as I did before.
you sure?
I did it probably just as wet as I did before. Okay.
Okay.
You want to help?
Oh, of course.
I think I can do it, but
Covers the whole thing, right? Oh, yeah, look at that. You're going to use your little brush?
yeah, I'm going to try using this brush.
Yeah, you could like shape your
This
yellow
brush,
flower.
is it in the thing?
Well, let's see. Is it in the thing? No. Yes.
Okay. Maybe I could shape my flower.
Yeah, maybe you could like take the yellow and just pull the yellow in like that first, all the way around.
Like this?
Yeah, I think you gotta press harder than that though. We gotta move it. You gotta move it, move it. There you go.
You're telling me to be harder than I usually am?
Wrong way, wrong way. Doesn't mush too much, does it?
No, because I probably have too much paint again.
I don't know if you had too much paint if it wouldn't mush.
Trying to get it on the edges.
Well, that's a thing of beauty, let me tell you.
It's just an experiment. I got the paper towel. If I don't like it, I can just wipe it all off. Right? Right. It's a Picasso.
This is Picasso, man.
It's a piece of Picasso. Okay, you ready?
Okay, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna lift it from the sides.
Okay. Need help, or you can just, oh, look at that.
Ah!
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You need to go this way?
Yeah. I could do it, but it's, it's kind of cool, actually, huh?
Kind of cool, actually. You can throw it in a garbage bag, I'll get it going. I'm surprised you're not saving it.
Oh, let me see. I would.
No, don't save it.
Let's see. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay.
No, don't.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, yeah. What are you gonna do? Save a painted paper towel.
Yep. Oh. Too bad. I just needed something here.
What'd you need there?
Wonder if I can just take
I
it.
wouldn't. No, you're gonna mess it all up. If you do
No,
that.
I was just gonna take one and dip it in there.
I wouldn't leave it there. I'd leave. You should leave your black space in there.
Yeah? I kind of like this type of thing.
Do you?
Yeah, because it just looks like...
I hear
I
it.
don't know. All right, where's our...
Okay.
Where's the thing? I need the thing. No, 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 no. I need the sprayer thing.
Sprayer thing?
Not the sprayer, the
Torch?
torch. Huh.
That's pretty cool over here. Look at this color over here. The pinks and the purples. Sealing up. The pink is sealing up now.
Ooh.
Don't catch it on fire. I got the fire extinguisher ready just in case.
Let's see. I could maybe blow some over to cover this.
Do you really want to cover that?
I don't know.
Why do you want to cover that?
I don't want to.
Oh, do what you want to. I want to cover it. I think it looks nice. Big black spot.
That's the best part of the whole thing.
I did. Look at all here. The way it's going here.
Yeah.
That's his color here. Look at his cells here too.
Yeah.
They're pretty neat.
Okay, guys. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang that bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay, paintings, Patricia's Art, at Patricia's Art Emporium. No?
I didn't say nothing.
Oh. This is Patty and John doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.